this is Team Rampage. I am Prachir.
I'm Pranjal.
I'm Surag.
I'm Gamal. Wheelchair users often come across small steps in front of shops and buildings which they cannot climb upon, which makes them dependent on others. Our project aims to incorporate a ramp in the wheelchair which will enable them to climb upon small steps like this. Despite IITT being a disabled-friendly campus, there are still places like this where the wheelchair users cannot go from one side of the railing to the other. They have to take a full circle, just because they cannot climb this one step. So this was the main motivation for our project.
So to make the ramp, we started off with 3mm aluminium sheets from a sheet metal shop, and we basically welded a frame using angles which were used to reinforce the metal sheet. We have used two types of designs to weld this. In this case we have made a 45-degree cut here, and at the bottom we have actually made 90-degree cuts at two places. To make the whole assembly mobile, we basically added 4 caster wheels at the bottom in order to move the whole setup. We have also used a jack here which allows us to move this ramp upwards and downwards in order to adjust this angle. So as this ramp moves, this rod which is welded onto this jack can actually slide about these two rails in this wheelchair assembly. What this rod also does is that it adds to the strength of the sheet, so that it is very easy for the whole setup to carry up to 150 to 200 kilos. That is a wheelchair and a person on it. So, now the biggest problem that we faced was to make this jack move. Initially our design was to use a motor to drive this jack. However, we realized that a motor would not be able to drive it very easily, as the cost of that motor would be very high. Hence we decided to use a sprocket chain assembly in order to drive this. Well, this chain connects both of them, and this allows us to drive this jack and increase the height of this. Now we also plan to integrate this ramp with a wheelchair. However, due to constraints such as the heavy weight of this wheelchair and difficulty in creating the interlock between the wheelchair and the ramp, we decided to skip this idea, to abandon this here and try out something else.
In order to incorporate the ramp with the wheelchair, we came up with this prototype of our second iteration. So I'll explain the mechanism of it. Take a look at the ramp. The ramp is connected to the wheelchair with the help of 2 pistons here. So what the piston does is that you can see right here, as you move the piston from the pivot joint, so the ramp comes out and you can by this movement you can adjust the height of the ramp and keep it anywhere you wish to keep it. So this was our piston assembly, and we incorporated the ramp with the wheelchair.
We've actually used mortise and tenon joints to make it very strong. We've used triangles everywhere so that all the joints are at 90 degrees to each other. We've used this part to keep the pistons at one level. We've used the proxy wheels so that we can actually move the wheelchair on the ramp when it's elevated on a particular level, so that it can climb the step and then carry on with its original wheels later on.
So firstly we can just move this wheelchair to this place. Now with the help of this sprocket chain assembly, you can adjust the height of this ramp so that it becomes equal to the height of this step. And now as you can see, as I am turning this chain, the height of this is decreasing. Now we have adjusted the height of this ramp to the height of this step, and now wheelchair user can easily climb on this.
So here we go with the first testing of our prototype of the wheelchair. So now I'm going to test it. We take the ramp out. Yeah. Now we adjust its height. Okay. Now I'll flip it. Now the wheelchair lines up. Okay, that's it. Now we'll take the ramp with it. Now the ramp fits in the wheelchair.
ज़रूरत है क्योंकि जब भी मैं अगर कहीं जाता हूँ, अगर मैं फुटपाथ पे चल रहा हूँ या रोड पे चल रहा हूँ, तो रोड से मैं फुटपाथ पर आने के लिए जैसे देख रहे हो कि इस टाइप की हमारे वो होती है, मतलब ऊपर होती है इसकी हाइट। तो उस हाइट को पार करने के लिए मुझे किसी के द्वारा हेल्प लेना पड़ता है। मैं अपने आप इंडिपेंडेंट इस पर नहीं चढ़ सकता, बिकॉज इसकी मतलब ऐसे टायर की बनावट है जिसकी वजह से मैं नहीं चढ़ सकता। तो यहाँ पे अगर कोई ऐसा चीज़ बना जाए जिसकी स्लोप आ जाए तो फिर मैं आसानी से क्लाइंब कर सकूँ, चढ़ सकूँ, तो ज़्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट भी महसूस करूँ। ये हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। मैंने देखा इसको कि अगर मैं कहीं पे जाता हूँ तो आप इस व्हीलचेयर के सहारे इसको स्लोप बना सकते हो और स्लोप बनाने के बाद आप चढ़ सकते हो। तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंडिपेंडेंट अपना शो करता है कि हम कहीं भी जा रहे हैं तो इस टाइप से अगर हमारे पास व्हीलचेयर है तो हमें किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, मैं आसानी से क्लाइंब करके आगे चल सकता हूँ। ये मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा चीज़ है
सर। आपको काम आएगा अगर इसे अच्छा प्रोडक्ट
बहुत
बनाए?
ज़्यादा हमारे का पूरे मतलब हमारे टाइप के जितने लोग हैं सबके लिए काम आ सके।
अच्छा,
बहुत अच्छा है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
Through this project, we learned many important lessons. The first thing we learned was that tolerances do not exactly match with our expected amounts, and also which processes have how much tolerances. For example, plasma cutting and welding have greater tolerances, while those of sheet metal we can get almost 100% accuracy. Also, it is tough to replicate CAD models and the models we make on paper in real life. Many trivial processes such as drilling take much more time than what we expected them to. There were also many unexpected problems, such as that of when the order in which we were welding seemed to be incorrect.
Although we didn't end up with what we had initially planned, in the process we did make a multi-purpose product. We have also realized a product which can be very useful to people with wheelchairs. And so we would like to thank Professor PVM Rao and the IT Delhi staff in the workshop for giving us this opportunity.